over Mount Pulaski, or 12 miles southeast of Lincoln, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Latham around 7:30 p.m. Warrensburg around 7:35 p.m. Decatur and Forsyth around 7:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Oriana, Decatur Airport, and Cerro Gordo. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 136 and 156. You are listening